I brought the Desmo out because we're going to do some a bit of back-to-back footage because we've got... There's a new bike in the fleet. Look at this. Looky. Look at this. Now, it's a bit of bright orange in your life. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these before, but this is an 11.99 Superleggera. And Luigi is going to shake this down today. We've never ridden it before, so we're going to give it a go, see how it goes. And weather's completely ideal again because the roads are wet, and the tyres are 10 years old. Actually, there's some heat marks on those. You see the heat marks? Yeah, it's going to be exciting because these are not exactly forgiving on the road, and we've not messed around with suspension settings or
it's all standard
or anything. We've set it back to standards. It's number 40, this bike, and if he hates it, he might sell it to me, and then I might sell it to you. So we'll see. State of this road, so frustrating in this country. Even when it's dry, the road should be dry, but at the fields there's just so much water. It's just running off the fields onto the roads. And I'm okay with this, but I feel quite comfortable, but I wouldn't be on that. Excuse the state of the Desmo. The roads are wet, so we have been riding around the potholes and through the puddles. So it's just the way it is, I'm afraid. But they'll get clean again. But look at this. You can see the tyres. They are ancient. We're gonna have to be really careful on them. These are the old Supercoursers when they were a little bit hairy fairy. And I mean, these ones are great because you can. I mean, they're still hot from just the ride half an hour ago. Well, warm. But these, we're gonna have to give them a bit of care. So everything's so thin. Look how thin the carbon is. And then titanium. Although who the fuck uses an Allen key on a... Honestly, why? Use proper tools, guys. They cost nothing. Stuff like that is so annoying. We're gonna have to replace all those. Titanium spring. You never see that. That's really unusual. Oh, God knows what that is to replace. So, she's seen some mileage, but not a lot. It's got about 4,000 on this one. So, we'll have to see whether if Luigi Mark doesn't like riding it, I don't know how long it'll last in the fleet, but we'll give it a go. They're pretty unforgiving, these, because they're so light. 155 or 154 dry, I think, and then 166 wet. So they're super, super light. 205 brake horsepower plus on these. And they're just absolute wheelie monsters, so not sure how much you'll enjoy riding it, but give it a go. Look at the colour. You probably can't see, but it's bright orange. If I pan back a bit, you can see both bikes. It is luminous orange. Really cool. It came with a clear clutch cover. That's been replaced. Thank God for that. That was horrible, that thing. Really nice. And these are the Magnesium wheels. So these are Magnesium Marchesinis. These are, inside they look weird. They're really sort of brown colour. You get them outside and in the sunlight, they're just bright, they pop. They're quite deceptive. All the colours on this bike are a little deceptive. And the story is someone at Ducati didn't like the way the bikes looked on the screen. They didn't look red enough. So they invented this colour, and they ran this colour on the GP bikes for a little while. I don't know which years, but at some point they ran that colour on the GP bikes. And on the cameras, it looks bright red, and that's why they did it. I don't know whether it looks any different from here, but you can see this one's sort of like a darker Marlboro red, and this has got that really luminous orange to it, neon, almost neon. clean in there?
Very clean.
Be interesting to see what it takes actually. Lovely colour, mate, honestly, sticks out. So joking aside, I filled it up this morning and you'll get about 50 miles to a tank on this, 55 maybe. And it's not like I'm smashing it. It's just insanely fuel hungry, these. Yeah.
Very quick.
Yeah, I could tell. I was having to actually rev the Desmo to keep up with you.
Yeah, it just goes, and I haven't gone above what 8,000 to 9,000 revs, and it's just
Bat shit. Yeah, I could see it pulls hard.
And that's just part of throttle. It's just
very light engine, right? So it revs up real fast.
Really
yeah, ballistic at the top end.
Yeah.
Road handling stiff.
No, it feels fine. Just conscious that you're on 10-year-old tyres.
Yeah.
So sort of daddying it around the corners, but it just wants to go in. It feels like Arnie, the V4S.
Yeah.
It just feels like it just wants to go in.
Yeah.
Wherever you point it feels. This always reacted instantly to a slight twitch.
Yeah.
This isn't quite like that, but it's very positive.
Yeah. Somehow criminal using the Desmo as a camera bike, doesn't it? But I think we're in good company here with the Superleggera. Nice and dirty. What do you think? Is it fast? I couldn't keep up with you. It was very quicker. You shot off and I'm like, oh god. Right.
You know where you want to go.
Nosy or back end? Does it feel like it rides on the front wheel or the back wheel? Balanced.
You're right in it.
Yeah.
This seat, this seat you just slide.
Yeah.
Actually.
Well, that needs a race seat. We need to speak to Rick at JHP.
But you're better off just staying here.
The trouble is it smashes your balls. That's the trouble. That's the trouble with these.
Once you're there,
all the standard seats. I don't know why Ducati do them really. They should put proper seats on them really. It's you can actually hear. It's the first bike I've been behind on the Desmo where I can actually hear it rumbling. It's definitely got that like 1198, 1299. It's a V-twin, right? It sounds like a V-twin, but you can actually hear it. Normally when I'm riding this bike, there's nothing you can hear apart from the bloody Desmo. I can actually hear it moving. It's like a bass. It's like the bass to the staccato that is the Desmo. That way. That way.
it goes. It properly goes. But then the front brakes were crap. I think.
Bleeding? You mean
Yeah,
bleeding?
Bleeding.
Yeah.
That brake
No, it's
was
not
way
too
too
bad.
high.
Yeah.
Gear levers a bit too high.
Yeah. So it'll be perfect for me then.
And weirdly, especially the clutch, this seems to be up. I mean, just really looked at it.
Well, these are normally notched. They normally have a roll pin,
Yeah,
so you normally can't move them. You get about 5 mil. You get about 5 degrees movement
You
sometimes.
look at that though, it looks quite up.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Wow, look at that. Woo. Bright neon orange, love it. So cool in the mirrors as well, the bright lights. That is awesome. Did you ever go with a quick shifter on it, or you didn't need it?
Only going up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what.
Was that the bang? That was the bang, was it? Yeah.
The quick shift.
Yeah. It's quite aggressive shift.
And it's really smooth though.
Yeah.
It's like there's no. It's really quick.
Yeah, but no blipper on this, it's standard.
No, and it needs it. It really
You think so?
Well, it feels like when you go in and all you want to do is just bang it down a couple.
Yeah.
It feels like that's what you want to
Well,
do.
we got the blipper, we got the blip box in the kit, so we can always have a go with that. Although I don't know how reliable they are.
No.
Probably need a bit of fiddling to get them set up. Beautiful, 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 luminous.